So I'm requesting Winnie, you cannot torture the children of Jaramogi. Like now, Agola's children, or Osewe's children, Gaudensia Adea's children, Susan's children. Tell your mom, please, tell her that Anyango have said you must release the title deeds and all the properties in Nairobi. Release the title deeds and the properties are in Nairobi. Release it to the Oginga Odinga's children. Because Gaudensia Adea has two kids there, I know. Susan has 2 children there, I know, that are now being ignored. Even during the funeral of Raila, none of them were being recognized. Aida has kept you people in the front line. Leadership. You should know that that leadership cannot come to you people because that leadership belongs to Joka Khan. So, Nyikwa Joka Khan, the children, like the children of Oburu, can get those leadership. Children of Gaudensia Adea can get those leadership. Huh? Children of Susan can get that leadership because the covenant between me and Jaramogi Oginga Odinga and Mary Juma was there. If I may tell you, that is why I'm telling you that Jaramogi Oginga Odinga, you people are trying to lock the gate of Jaramogi Oginga Odinga, but it is not going to be locked. I'm telling you the truth. The people who are trying to lock that gate by bringing all kind of bad omens there, that the grandchildren of Jaramogi will not be leaders, that Jaramogi Oginga Odinga's grandchildren will never be leaders. That is a lie. His children, his own birth children, like Gaudensia Adea's children, like Susan Odinga's children, they will get those leadership, whether you people like it or not. So don't waste your time. You are wasting your time. And those witch doctors are eating a lot of money from your mom. Advise your mother, Winnie. Advise her to give out the title deeds that belongs to Jaramogi Oginga Odinga's hand. They cannot fence the whole property of Jaramogi Oginga Odinga in Opoda and not giving Mrs. Osewe her right, giving Ms. Susan Odinga her right. It cannot be. Betty is there. She should also have a share of Jaramogi. She has been there. She has been the one looking after that home. She has to have a share. Now, why would those houses in Nairobi, in Kileleshwa, in Lavington, in Langata, are kept by your mom? She's giving to her friends. Whoever she loves, she would give those properties. And yet Jaramogi Oginga Odinga is the one who